أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
إن الدين عند الله الإسلام وما اختلف الذين أوتوا الكتاب إلا من بعد ما جاءهم العلم بغيا بينهم ومن يكفر بآيات الله فإن الله سريع الحساب.
Yeah. I was Sandhya. Now I am Zara Bilal Khan. I converted to Islam. I want to check one thing that you were saying, like there is no murti and something like that. But there is one place in Kerala, it is like there is one statue which is coming from the rock and it is growing. Then why is it so?
Sister asked a question, nothing like Murti I said, but she knows of a place in Kerala in which there is a statue in the mountain or the rock, she's saying. It is growing. How it is growing? The question. That means there's something in the statue. Sister, do you know even mountains grow? Do you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you know, that's how the statue can grow. That does not mean it has got life in it.
No, it's coming from like inside the rock. There is nothing statue on the rock. It is coming from inside the rock.
So that's what I'm telling you, sisters. Coming from inside the rock, even the mountain can grow, sister. How does it grow? You know, in geology we study that it can keep on growing, and there are many such examples. For example, we know that a few years back, there was a Ganesh statue which was drinking milk. It's a simple scientific phenomenon of osmosis. It's a simple phenomenon of osmosis that if you have a jug with a sprout and you put on the milk, it will automatically rise. It's osmosis. That doesn't mean that the statue is drinking milk, and that's how that many TV channels are exposed. So what we have to realize, sister, that these are inanimate objects. As the Veda clearly mentions, in Yajurved, chapter number 32, verse number 3, Na tasya pratima asti. Of that God, there is no pratima, there is no image, there is no statue, there is no sculpture, there is no photograph. Hope that answers the question, sister.
But one thing, then how is the shape coming from the inside? There is one shape which is coming outside.
Sister, you know shape? As far as shape is concerned, a human being can give shape by chiseling. Automatically, naturally it can come. There is no problem. There are so many statements mentioning that there are trees which are mentioning Om, or some trees mentioning La ilaha illallah. See, all these things don't carry weight at all. We are talking about truth, sister. And there are many mountains which look like human faces. Haven't you seen? So it is by nature, if it resembles something, that doesn't mean it's a miracle. You have to follow the Hindu scriptures and the Quran and the Bible, which say Almighty God has got no images. The stone can look like a man, can look like an image, can look like a statue. That doesn't mean it is God, sister.
Thank you.
And many of these stones and images and idols, if it falls, it breaks. When it cannot help itself, how will it help you and me, sister? Hope that answers the question.
Thank you.
Thank you, sister.
السلام عليكم. لا تنسوا الإعجاب بالفيديو والاشتراك في القناة تشجيعا لنا لنستمر بنشر المزيد إن شاء الله.